I hope you've enjoyed so far the free Singer video tutorials on the SE9180 that we've been doing. The goal is to make them short and sweet so you can kind of hop around, find the ones you need today, watch them, know the information you're looking for is in that video, and not have to search a big long video and then realize you didn't learn what you were looking for. This little video is to remind you that when you select designs, so I'm going to kind of go over selecting multiple designs at once, putting them on the screen, that the order you put them on the screen is the order you stitch them out. So if you put a design in and put another design, it will do the first one first and the second one second. If you start to move them around, it will then keep that order, and it might look like it jumps around a little bit, but that's okay. As we pick a design and put it on screen, remember there's kind of the ungroup area, or I want to add more design to the screen function. The little circle with the square here will allow you to say add something else to the screen. It keeps the previous one on there. You can see by the grayed out first design. There's my little quick addition of letters that we can then move and place them where we want them to go. When we do the green check mark, all right, so let's just pretend that we are an embroidery machine today, and we go to stitch it out. What's it going to stitch? It's going to stitch the design first and the letters second. So for any reason you need things to stitch out in a different order, maybe you've overlapped some designs, you need to actually place them on the screen in the order you need them to stitch. So if you've pulled in a tree and a dog, but you want the dog to be kind of partially behind the tree, you need to pull the dog in first and the tree in second. Otherwise, you're going to have the dog in front of the tree. So just kind of keep that in mind. It is something just to know, and then that way, when you do get to that point, you'll be like, oh yeah, she said they're going to stitch out in the order I brought them in, which makes sense. All right, I hope you've been having fun. Please make sure that if you are looking for some things to do, check out our online courses. Our most popular one is the Embroidery Essentials online course, and it is tons of information and great ways and projects, techniques to help you master every corner of your machine. It's not about the quilt here, but it's about doing and repeating and doing different things with different results. We got applique and quilting and cutwork and all sorts of stitch and flip or quilted areas and techniques, even a few additional ones like a little zippered bag, how to make a patch, those types of things. So all the information on all of our videos is in that description, so I hope you'll check it out. And there's always free videos in our courses for you to watch and see if that course is right for you. I hope to see you in one of our online courses soon.